On the block from Jim Wells County Precinct 3. We're over here in Orange Grove, Texas. We're just south of the interstate, off Interstate 37, between Mathis and we're just outside of Orange Grove over here. We've got a Cat 416D. The machine only has 4,130 hours. Give you a picture of the serial number, Cat 416D. Pretty nice machine. They've been using it around the yard. They're upgrading to some bigger equipment, air cabs. Hot summer times here in South Texas, and they're trying to do some things to upgrade their equipment. Y'all check this machine out. They've been using it to load out of their stockpiles in the yard. I believe it seems to be a pretty tight machine. Everything seems to work. It's got an open air cab. All the pins seem to be pretty tight. It's got a few oil leaks on it, but nothing major. The bucket's real clean looking. Y'all check this machine out. I'm going to turn the camera over to Sandra. Like everything, the pins are all pretty tight, steering's good, shuttle shifts just like it's supposed to. Check it out online at cmoxys.com.